Hello, I'm Ivanna Garcia, and in this video I'm gonna be reacting to funniest things that happen on airplanes by the channel Funny Pics Only. Oh my god. Two Saudi old men in their first ride on a plane. I don't want your stinky feet anymore. Oh my gosh. Wait, but that's so disrespectful. Like, you don't have to like put your feet like that. Random guy sleeping on my mom. Oh, that's cool. Nobody sees what you're doing because, you know, old ladies are looking at you like. So apparently there's a little kid in front of us in this flight. Yeah, people are in the planes are always watching what you're doing on a computer or on your phone, and it's like, why? Wow. How is he even allowed on airplanes? I mean, I don't think it's safe for him or the others. I don't know. That's a tattoo or watching The Ring? These 3D movies are getting way too real. Don't mind me, just hitching a free ride. That's so scary. Ew. My friend was on a plane when suddenly not too reassuring when taking the plane, an ISIS production. Ew. People shouldn't be doing that, you know? They need to be considerate. You're traveling in a small space with, I raise you the first class panda bear. Open for business. Some of these people are so disrespectful. Like, okay, you're in a plane, you don't have to do those things, you know. Cheese puff boy. That's whatever. This guy buys a whole row for his falcons to fly in first class. This person playing video game at full volume the whole 6-hour flight, and nobody told him anything. Like, this person refused to take his seat because they didn't have any orange juice in business class. This guy just broke up with his girlfriend and she's sobbing, and you're gonna broke with her in an airplane. Like, the screens on the plane froze like this when the pilot gave an announcement. This baby kept turning around to hold my finger. Pretty sure we're BFF now. I have a bad feeling about this flight. Why? I don't get it. Glad I landed safely with this lunatic. What? Oh my god. Wait, people shouldn't be doing that. You know, when you're at all plane, when you see this warning card in front of you, through those toys, I can remember their name, but I had like 3 or 2 of them. I don't know. Instructions were unclear. So cool, this plane has a sock drying holder. I don't think so. Like, share, and subscribe. people are so crazy and so unrespectful. Like, some of these things, like, you shouldn't be doing that on airplanes, you know? Like, I don't know, some people like don't even know how to act. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. Bye.